Hey team, welcome to the future of executive protection. We are rolling out a Bravo EP AI support application now. So this means that everything that I've done over the course of close to 20 years has been uploaded into an AI machine, and we have created AI that is carefully tuned to be the perfect administrative support for your executive protection operations. So everything from doing risk threat vulnerability assessments, route reconnaissance, putting together your proposals, putting together operation orders, understanding atmospherics from an executive protection standpoint, Heatmaps. All of it can now be ran through this AI system, and this is a closed loop AI system. We're using the highest levels of security, securing obviously everything that runs through the platform. No one has access to anything. In terms of guys trying to get into the industry and need mentorship, any question that you have about getting into the industry, how to do it, licensing, the best approaches, places where you can go, events, all this stuff. Now we have EPAI support to help you find your way through the industry at the company ownership level, like prices, what are people charging, what should I be charging, what are industry standards. This AI is designed to be the perfect companion for you during your executive protection operations. I don't believe AI is going to replace executive protection agents anytime soon, but I will say that agents who use AI are going to replace agents who do not. Protection is more than just a job. It's a lifestyle.